So you're deciding whether or not to create a SQL view for yourself. And let me tell you, you absolutely should. Here are the 5 reasons why SQL can help you make your life a lot easier when you're working with data. Number one, reusability. Write your query once, use it again anytime. Number two, simplify complex logic. Put all of your joins, filters, calculations all in your main query. Simply select and run. Number three, auto updates. Every time you run your view, you get live updated results. No need to refresh, no need to rerun your logic. Number four, reduce repetitions. No need to retype or copy paste the same where clause over and over. Number five, organize your query. Keep all of your frequently used queries stored in one place. Alright, let's build some views. I have created a simple employee database from a fictional company called Blueberry, and I will show you step by step on how to take your everyday queries and turn them into reusable SQL view. Let's open our SQL Management Studio. For this particular dataset, you can see on the left hand side there's a table called Blueberry Employees. In this table, there are 9 different columns, consists of pretty typical employee sort of information. Employee ID, names, title, department, branch location, hiring date, salary, and a column called morale team. So I am going to put in a where clause. In this where clause, I want to find all of the employees that are essentially in the Pacific Northwest. So I'm going to put in where branch locations in Seattle and Vancouver. As you can see, here's a list of all the employees. Now, once I know this is something that I will be searching over and over again, I am going to now create a view for this particular query. All we have to do is on the very top of the query, we put in create view and then the name of the view that we want to create. So in this case, we want to call this VW underscored. That's simply to say that this is going to be a view. And then I'm going to name this to be Pacific Branch Employees. As you can see, we now have a completions and select 100 from this particular view. As you can see, here are the 8 employees that are in the Seattle or Vancouver area. Now this is part of the view, and from here what we can do is we can look at the source of the view and we're going to modify the query. This time we're going to find out all of the employees that are in the morale team that equal to red. So once I have the query, I can now save that as a view as well. We can refresh the view and you can see now red team is also a view. When we do a select, we can see the same people who are in the red team. Alright, let's put our views to the test. What better way to test them than adding some new employees to the company, right? I'm going to insert 3 new members, one in Seattle, one in Vancouver, and one in New York. Remember, our Pacific Northwest employees table or views is designed to show only employees from Seattle and Vancouver. And one of those employees is Team Red. So we should have one record showing up here, one additional record, and 2 more people showing up in the Pacific Branch employees. So let's do a new query. I'm going to paste in the insert statement. In this insert statement, I'm adding 1 employee from Seattle, 1 Vancouver, which is also in the morale red team, and then 1 from New York. Let's see. All right, so let's go to our Pacific branch employees. You can see before we had 8 employees. So if I rerun this view, and remember this is not the actual table, but this is the view, there is our 2 additional employees. Now, and when we go to our team red, currently there are 10 people. When I rerun, there is now 11. So that's it. You have just learned how to create your own SQL views. We use your query and let your result auto update without rewriting the same logic over and over. If you find this video useful, please consider subscribing, hit the like button, and I will catch you in the next video. Take care.